Welcome to the series of videos on pipe network productivity tools for AutoCAD Civil 3D. In this video, we'll discuss the Adjust Pipes to Surface command. This command utilizes the standard selection options of the pipe network productivity tools, so be sure to visit that video to understand how the standard selection options work. This command was created in an effort to provide a way to connect your pipes with surfaces. Sometimes we want pipes to be a certain distance above or below the surface, and that's kind of a manual operation from a profile view. Within Civil 3D, there's no way to say have this pipe inherit the surface elevation and automatically subtract an elevation down to the pipe. So I use this particularly for water mains or gas lines in which I don't want to use a pressure pipe network for it. I'll still use a pipe network at times. And so this command allows me to quickly drape my pipes on a surface and make the adjustments as necessary quickly. So if I run this command, the first thing we have are the options, network, multiple, and path, but you also see there's a settings option here. And because we're dealing with the elevations, we have the option to control the elevation by the center line, the crown, or the invert. And so if you want your pipes to be, 3 feet below ground, then you'd want to have the crown elevation taken into effect there. So we'll say the crown. And I'm going to run the path option because I just want to drop one section of my pipes. And I'll pick my start location and my end location. So now I have all these pipes in my collection. I don't want to filter this. And then my start point, this is each pipe's start point distance below the surface. So you could have the start and the end have differing values. In this case, I'm just going to say -3. For both the start and the end. And then do you want to include the pipe's wall thickness in the calculation? For what I want to do, yes, I want the wall thickness included to make sure we have 3 feet of cover over every pipe from my surface. So I'll say true. And then which surface do you want this to function with? So you could pick it on plan, or I'm going to use the dialog and pick my road surface. So this way all my pipes follow this surface initially and allow me to have that minimum depth or minimum cover on my pipe, and then I can start making modifications from here. So here you can see we have 3 feet of cover over every pipe based on that road surface elevation. So I can quickly get my pipes set. And again, this could be used for something like this, for a road project where you want it to have 3 feet of cover over every pipe, or again, a water main or a gas line or something like that. Oftentimes when I worked with those, I would drape a feature line on the surface and I would use the Civil 3D option to create a pipe network from an object. And so every vertice in the feature line, it would have a pipe. And so this command came in very handy on those because I could readjust all those pipes in that collection very quickly to the surface elevations once again. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions, and be sure to check out our other apps on the Autodesk Exchange Store.